Okay, so so what I try to do is look for like I just need candles, bro, and like I really love candles on structure. Like I like significant. Like I don't just look at any random candle. I need a very significant. I need candles like at significant areas, like on a trend line, on an MA, on structure. Like those candles to me are very significant. You know what I mean? Like a pattern on on structure, on a trend line, on an MA. Like those are what's actually significant to me. Like on a level on the Fibonacci, things like that.
Yeah.
Like
What
on the 4 hour right now, what I would recommend doing, look like I draw a fib, but we have an imbalance. But I really would draw a fib from here to here, bro. Still, just to give me an idea, so I could have areas to look out for. Like right now, how you on the 0.5 extension, I can look out for that area. The 61.8 look like it's gonna fall somewhere on this trend line. You also have to visualize what you expect the market to do, bro. That's a big thing too, bro. You have to actually visualize like I try to visualize what I expect the market to do. Like, can I expect the market to probably come down here? Like I could see the market coming down to 61.8. I can see the market coming down to this trend line. I can see the market probably coming down to 2300. That isn't out of the question. You know what I mean? Like you actually have to visualize these things because you can't just see or a buy up and then you be like, oh, this is an automatic buy, and or like you actually have to think like, yo, the more likely market might fake out someone right now. Like, and then you just have to look at what time it is too, bro. Is it the actual time for your pair? For do you think it's the right time for your pair to actually be going with long term movement? Like to me, um, Asian session is just pure fake outs when it comes to GU.
that's a fact.
Like I just see pure fake outs.
Yeah, that's a fact. Especially when you're on the lower time frame. Don't get me wrong, if you're like a scalper, okay, that's different. But like if you're like a long term, you know what I mean, catching it off the intraday and all that, I don't think it's a good idea to trade outside of session.
But I like this 2300 area though. I really like this area. I could really that's what I tell you, bro. Remember I be telling you I want price to come back down to the when I tell you I want price, it's a reason why. The reason why is because it's a very significant area on the charts. Because if you look on the 4 hour, bro, this 2300 area, significant, mad significant. Price right here is kind of significant too. I'd watch it out. But it ain't really as significant as just 2300 area, bro. You see how much wicks we got around this area?
That area, yeah. So I might just come there and bounce right back up.
That's why I be trying to that's what. Not even just as soon as it hit around those areas, I down on lower time frames. I want to see what candles printing. I want to see what's happening. I trying to get in, and then more than likely it's be around my times, bro. I the best times where I personally get entries is be 6, around, let's say 5, 6, or let's say 9 after a little fake out in 8, because normally at 8 they might do a little fake out, then at 9 momentum actually push to the actual direction the market moving. Then I'd say the market can probably trend until 11, 12 o'clock. We start to get a pullback. 1 o'clock, it's the last leg of the market. Around 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I can expect that leg to be ending. Knowing your pair is a thing too, though. That's a big thing. Knowing your pair, bro.
Definitely, yo.
That's why I be trying to tell new guys, bro. You don't have to trade a bunch of pairs, bro. Just know one, one pair, bro. Creep before you could actually run, bro. Me, I walk in right now and I still on this one pair, bro. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Cause honestly, there's really no point to be trading because it's gonna be the same money, the same unless you decide to switch and trade indices. I really
500, bro.
That look clean. It really might drop though. Momentum look insane on the lower time frame.
23,500. Yeah, bro, this can drop. I think this can fall through, bro. You see, like, you see friggin' how much momentum.
Oh, candle, yeah.
Like, look at this on the MA, bro. Like, this on the MA right now. Like, if I was looking for a sell, like a crazy drop like this, like breaking through the MA, and then the next candle itself, like, have that exact same momentum with barely any wick. I look at, like, I'd be getting it. If I was a person who was looking for a sell inside this market right now, I'd have been getting it.
I'm about to ask you, for somebody who knew, right? Like, what are your levels for the MA, and how could you be able to trade off of MAs exactly?
I don't just use the MA. That's the thing. Like, when I using the MA, bro, the MA is purely for like telling me the direction, helping me with entries, because like on lower time frames, like if like it's beat on the M, like when it on the MA, like that's kind of significant on lower time frames, because like as you can see, like it broke like this right here. It broke this and then shot up and made a new height. Like, you know what I mean? Like on MAs, like it actually means something. Like you actually have to put together shit, bro. Like
how would you read the MA? Like, what does the blue and the red mean?
Blue means buy, red means sell, bro.
So when you so like for somebody who knew and they saw that, like
okay, so a red crossing over the, like if the red on top of the blue, that means you're looking for sells. Or like
okay.
If the blue on top of the red, you're looking for buys. Like, but that's the thing, it ain't just that simple though. Like you can't just go like once the red on top of the red, you automatically get it for the sell. Once the blue on top of the blue, or once the blue on top of the red, you get it for the buy. You can't just do that. Like, you can't just do that. You can't just, like, you actually have to put together shit. Because
like what you did basically when you was on the 1 hour, you saw that it was on the trend line, and then the blue crossed over the red.
Yeah, like you actually gotta be putting together shit. Let's say like on the 15th, let me look at my entry today, bro.
Yeah, play out your entry.
Okay, so I was inside the gym, right? I can tell you my train of thought. I was in the gym. I see me making higher lows. All right. I know I got my I get my entry off of the 5. You want to see? I still had I even had an alert, bro. I was in the gym, bro. I was like, all right, I can put my I get my entry and I put the alert right there. I was like, all right, if I hit this, I know I put the trade. I good, you know. And I literally had no drawdown. Like, we on the MA, like look at this entry. We on the MA, engulfing candle, on a trend line, on the third top of a trend line, of a supposed trend line, like entry. Like, and then like what I try to start doing is moving my stop loss to break even, kind of like 20 pips to in profit. But like it all depends on how much pips I'm trying to catch though. This morning, good thing I didn't move my stop loss, because like as you can see right before the news, it came right back down, hit my stop loss and shoot up. And that's when I come inside the group and I was like, I moved my stop loss. You wasn't even awake this morning.
Yeah, no, I was knocked.
And then it came here. Like, look at this. On the MA, we have a reversal candle. That on structure. Like we having a lot of bearish candles. They're printing a lot of bearish candles. Like, you know what I mean? So like that's printing a lot of bearish candles on the MA, on structure. Like, all these things is confluences like, hey, why you should be looking in for sales. Right after we had a crazy buy up and volatility just died, you know? So what happened? Oh, that's the thing. But yeah, right after all that, volatility just died. So like, all right, you could be looking for sales. You could be looking for those type of things inside this market. Nah, price consolidating right now, bro. Look like price more consolidating. Plus we on fucking the 5. Let's see.
Everybody wants to look at that. Boom. Look at
That's
that.
like price coming down.
Boom.
I want to see price at 2,300 though.
Yeah, anybody who was in that is
That's what I want to see though. I want to see price at 2,300. But yeah, but I want to do a lot of these, like what I want to do, like just use a lot of these live sessions, like as just pure content. You know what I mean? Just post live, like just live trading sessions, and like where people could like new traders could go on, click on, learn things. You know, just or like they could even come on live sessions, ask questions based on like, and I could take like. I could use some of the clips from off of the live sessions to actually like post it on social media. Like I could probably do a snippet on, like you see how you ask me some of those questions, right?
That's what I was asking.
Snippets like how do I get my entries? I could clip up this vid. I could clip up this vid to be like how do I get my entries? I clip up a vid. How do I find my take profits? Clip, you know?
Yeah, that's exactly why I was asking the questions, because I know like there's probably gonna be some new guys watching it, and they're gonna need help knowing like how you entering with the MA, like where you coming from, all that shit. So right now, like you said, anybody who in this outside of the session, because the session starts at 3 a.m. right?
Yeah.
Eastern time. So anybody who's like actually in this trade right now is probably gonna be in trouble.
I don't know though. That's the thing, bro. I don't know.
You don't know, right?
I ain't insiders, so I can't give a bias, bro. But I would like 2,300. I would like 2,300 to happen.
Exactly. You know what I find it interesting is the fact that you can see all the wicks around that area.
Yeah. I know it's crazy. That's a significant area. That's around 23,500.
Yeah, exactly.
23,500.
Quarter level. So at this point, it's like anything could happen. It could break it. It's consolidating like crazy around this area. You can see all those wicks right there. It just might either break it, but I mean, only time will tell, right? Plus, it's about to be.
They're about to break this soon. What time it is?
Like 2:48, about to be 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. They're about to break it at 3. 3 o'clock is European London session starting at basically 3-4.
Just breaks it.
And then something can happen. It's gonna break it very soon. I think it might break it 3, or it might just reject. I could see a bullish candle happening, like a bullish candle.
Right?
Because like I could see, that's what I could see happening. Like ICT just got my mind fucked, bro. I
know, bro.
But I can see happening is that up here is like. Up here is like the early buys, it trigger all the buy stocks, come back down here, everyone thinking about to break this area, they looking in for the sales, and then it just
they might even draw it down even more too. That's what ICC was talking about. My thing is like with him, reason why I'm like not so confused with him is because like Q teaches the same thing, but the problem here is like Q uses like different words than he uses.
Delivery. Delivery.
Exactly. The way Q delivers it, I feel more like
you understand him.
Yeah, like it works with my shit. Like the way he explains it, that even a newbie can like just okay, cool.
Yeah, like with Swaggy, bro. Like that's why I push Swag. Like that's why I push him to all new traders, bro. Because like, bro, these are the people who is actually gonna actually gonna be able to teach a beginner. Like, you know what I mean? Exactly, like me, an experienced person who's watching ICTs be like,
hell no, I'm
gonna be fuck is this guy saying? I'm like,
he knows what he's talking about,
but that's the thing. That's like, he knows what he's talking about.
It's just the way he delivers it. I'm like, what? Yeah. I'm sitting there like, what? So I have to literally write on my book, get a book and write it down, and then like match it with what Q's saying. And I'm like, oh, so that's what he means. I'm like, yo, what is he
I know that.
I'm like, all right, whatever. And like the crazy part is, I don't know why people bash, your guy Swaggy, because Swaggy know what he's talking about.
Bro, Swaggy, and that's the thing, bro. To me, Swaggy is so to me when it comes to support resistance, he's fucking sturdy. That guy win percentage, bro, is like an 80% support resistance trader. Like that is unheard of, bro.
He's not. He trades with like regulated brokers. Like
he's a no. Like I so fuck with Swaggy, bro. I don't care what anyone says, bro. I fuck with Swaggy.
what this video was coming up, and I'm like, oh,
I can't lie though. I want to meet him in life, bro. That's some like I actually want to meet that guy in real life, bro. I want to let like how like he always talks about what did the guy name? What does the guy name?
Who Q?
No, he always talks about it was this one guy, he said changed his life, bro. I forget. But he was like, this one guy changed his life, bro. The guy wasn't even a trader, but he's like, this guy changed his life. And I don't know. I want to tell him, like, bro,
you changed my life.
Who was that guy for me, bro? Like, you know what I mean?
Yo,
like he was the one who showed me, like, yo. Like, he was the one who showed me, like, yo, as a young black man, bro, it's feasible, bro. As a young black man from a normal walk of life, bro, it is feasible for you to make it.
Yes, but and he went through a lot. I remember you say
he was homeless and shit. Yeah,
homeless. He was like having struggle with money.
Yeah,
basketball. He found out the money wasn't in that, so he left it. I remember his story. I was like, wow, that's crazy, bro.
Like, I know, bro. He's the one who made and he's the one who pushed me to read books, bro. He's the one who showed me, like, yo, like, bro, read a fucking book, bro. Like, he's the one who gave me the mindset that, yo, go read a fucking book. Like before I wasn't reading no books, you know? Like, he's the one who gave me the entrepreneur mindset. I also fuck with, like, that's why I like IM, bro. Like, I don't like IM for them trading. I love IM for what they did to me also.
Yeah, I can't bash IM Academy because at the end of the day, they introduced me.
They introduced me to it. They gave me the mindset. They gave the mindset that, yo, like, let's actually become millionaires. Before IM Academy, I never actually believed, like, becoming a billionaire was a thing. I didn't believe, not that I didn't believe, I didn't know, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, my mind wasn't like, hey, millionaire is a possibility right now. You know what I
mean? Yeah, I know what you mean. I know exactly what you mean. It's crazy. It's crazy. This world is changing every single day. And
you have to know what to take from things, though.
Yes.
You have to know what to take from things.
Exactly, bro. And I don't know, I feel like for anything in life, you just can't be lazy. You know what I mean? You got to have like an open mind, and you just can't be lazy. Like, I know when IM Academy first came out, a lot of people was like, yo, this is fraud, this is a scam. And me, I was like, yo, maybe it is, but I might as well check it out. You know what I mean? Because you never know, like, you know what I mean? And it's a good thing I did that. Because it made me realize, like, yo, this is actually the shit. This could actually be my,
This could be my pot. Like, when I started trading, bro, I don't know. Like, that's the thing. When I first started trading, I started off with options, bro. Binary options.
Oh, wow. That was bad.
But I tell you, bro. I could just see a bullish candle happening. But, yeah, I started off trading options, bro. And, like, I don't know. Like, I just like the idea of it, and then they started doing all the go lives. I used to be on every single go live. Cause I was up to like P1K. I had to get it to like a P1. Wow. In like a month, I was like a P1K, bro. Cause I was pushing it hard, bro. I don't know, I was pushing it hard. Cause I push my brand hard now. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I was like that for IM, you know?
Like, it's like your skills got built up over there, and then now you can just know what you're doing. You know what I mean? Crazy.
They gave me the marketing. They gave me my marketing standpoint too. Like, they made me a marketer for myself.
You learn from, like, that's why I always say, like, yo, don't knock until you try. You know what I mean? You learn from anything, anything, but no matter what it is, but crazy, man.
IM was good though. I could not diss IM. They taught me a lot. I learned a lot. They changed my perspective on life. It introduced me to trading. Like, I started off with options, but then quickly realized, like, they wasn't really, like, a lot of them wasn't really like actual traders. And then, like, I actually picked up trading. I picked up the first channel I picked up was Mamba. Who's your first channel?
For what? For trading,
bro. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this clip. I'm gonna clip this and actually make this like I can say like me and you, like just us a sit down conversation with Forex traders.
Yo, that'd be crazy, bro.
And like well beginners could actually just come on and listen to this. Like this just a convo. Like Forex traders having a conversation while it's live trading.
That shit tough, man.
But yeah, like that's why I started doing these live sessions too, to actually use these for content also. Like to clip these up and use these for content, because a lot of shit could happen inside the lives. Because live markets where the best traders is really at. You know what I mean?
That's a fact. That's a fact, yeah. That's a fact. Me, I look at everything as if like, yo, learn from it. You know what I mean? I learned like me growing up, like I remember but 2 years ago, Q, what's his name? Oh my god, look at the candle, yo.
I tell you, bro. I told you.
Yo, that shit from the doji and bling. Yo, if that junk closes, bro, I'm gonna wait for the retest down in a lower time frame and I'm gonna enter again, bro. Because like,
bro.
it's already 3 o'clock. Like it's about to be 3 o'clock. Look at how long that candle is, bro. Look at how long that wick is.
Bro, you know what's crazy though? I was saying I should get, bro. I was saying ICT would say get in for the buy. I was saying no ICT was saying, but
ICT would have been like,
ICT would have get in on this candle. This would have been ICT entry candle right here. Because ICT said you were supposed to enter on highs, bro.
Right.
He said you're supposed to be predicting. Huh?
He would have probably gotten on the 1 minute, but he would have been like, what you doing on the 15-minute, boy?
Bro, that man crazy, bro.
Yo, he really is, bro. I swear, sometimes you be watching his shit. I remember he had like a live trade going on. I'm like, what? He said, get out the trade. I'm done. I'm out. Like, what?
He said, get out the trade. I'm done. What? Get in the trade.
You know what happened? If you saw all those, you see all those candles and those wicks, right? He would have probably, like, as soon as he seen the engulfing right there, that bullish engulfing right there, he would have probably entered, bro. That one right there, because that look, if you look closely, you can see.
Yeah, it looked like a pattern. It looked like a morning star.
Even morning star. So boom, look at that, it's still going, bro.
You know what's crazy though? I literally inside this vid, I even said like I could see a buy. Like I even said it a couple minutes. I could say
that. And you can see, look, you can tell, like, look, lower, higher lows are being formed. Like, if you bust out your
it came down here.
Yeah.
It came down here to hit all them sell stops, fuck up the sellers.
Bro, look at that. And look what he did. Look how long that bullish candle is, bro. But that's lethal, bro. Trading is so easy if you know what you're doing, bro.
I go wait for the high, though.
I know, I can't touch this yet.
I can't touch this because, like, my stop loss can be way too far now.
I can't touch that. I gotta wait for that just to close, and then I gotta see, like, another retest. And
the boat to close, bro. We on the 15 minute, only 37 seconds inside this.
I'm saying.
We got the buy MA. We got the buy MA on top of the sell MA. We got, like a long time ago. Like we have a morning star pattern. Look like it's forming. Look like it just formed.
Bro, that junk flying, bro.
On the hour. What we up? On the hour.
Look at
that. Look at that on the hour, bro.
But that junk is gone, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Let me see. If I.
Well, that's a double bottom.
Bro. Wait.
I'm telling you.
Look at the fib though.
Bro, right on the 38. I bet you that's a 38, bro. Pull it up, bro.
No, that's the 0.5, bro.
Oh, that's a 0.5, right?
That's the 0.5, wait.
Look at that. Boom. Right on there, right?
0.5, bro.
0.5 right there. That's gone, bro. Look at how long that wick is, bro. Look at that. Boom. Right on the doji. Right on the
500. And that kind of and the negative 27 extension matching up with 2,500, bro.
Well, right, and look what it formed, but
we talking. I thinking about getting in.
But I'm telling you, I just need another higher low to form, and I'm entering, but on the lower time frame, I'm entering, but like I'm done, bro.
But bro, this is a fucking bro. This a 1 in 7 risk to reward though. Oh. Like this a sniper entry. This like a 1 in 7, bro. This I deserve because like you could put your thing right below this.
It might wick it. It might go all the way down and wick it, but bro, that shit gone, bro. Look at all those wicks around that area.
I need to see what's gonna happen when it come back here, bro. If it's gonna come back here, if either that or I can wait to see if it's gonna break this area. No matter what, that's still a 1 in 4, bro. If it does break this, we still have a 1 in 4.
Bro, that's crazy, yo.
But I won that thing, bro. I'd get in. Wait, we on the MA, bro. That's an ink up. I'm getting in, bro.
That's a bullish engulfing right on it. Bro,
I'm
look at
getting
that.
in, bro. I'm
Bro,
getting.
can you do me a big favor, bro? Can you just take out your trend line right quick, and then from the bottom up, bro? Let me see something right quick, bro.
I got in for the buy. I put.
He say I to the buy. You funny as hell.
I put my stop loss right. I put my stop loss like a little below.
Boy, you lethal. But look at that. And it look like an inverted head and shoulders, bro. Look at that. Tell me you don't see that, bro. Inverted head and shoulders, bro.
Give me a sec. Wait, give me a sec. I trying to edit. Q on the stop loss.
Yeah. Imagine you let this junk out, bro. Everybody gonna be like, yo, he just did a live trade on live, bro.
20. Let me see. 20. I'm trying to see where I can put it though. I know it below the same. I can put it below this area. I say okay, so 2340 is this area. So I'd say 23.5. Yeah, bro. Right here would be oh shit. This same zone, even if it does come back down to this zone right here, let's go 23,300. 23.3. I can do 23.3.
I'm trying to tell you, bro. All I need is a lower high and I'm entering, bro. I don't care, bro.
You getting it for the sell?
No, for a buy. Excuse me, a higher low and I'm entering, bro. I think that a higher low.
Because it did break this high, bro. Because this was a consolidate. It was inside a consolidation zone, and then what happened? It broke out the consolidation zone right here, came back down, retested the consolidation zone, which it came right back to this area, and then what did it form? Crazy bullish. And that's fucking. So what that means, bro? Entry. I $20 in profit, bro. I can put it on the screen, guys. $20 in profit right now.
Bro, it's lethal, bro. Like, I'm telling you right now, like, I'm the type, like, when I see stuff like that, yo, I go down to even get a deeper entry, bro. I go down to, like, the 1 minute, the 5 minute. Like, right now I'm on a 1 minute, and I'm seeing consolidation, like, trying to form, like, like, a higher low right now. Once I see an engulfing, I'm entering again, bro. Like, bro, like, I'm telling you this, bro.
And on the MA, I want to see what it's gonna print on this MA. And then luck, bro. It's on this. I want to see what it's gonna print on the 4 hour. When the 5 minute crosses over, that's when you could expect a lot of volatility after that.
Yeah, exactly.
I want to see
3 o'clock, yo. I'm like literally just waiting, bro. Normally I start seeing stuff happening around like 4 something o'clock around that time.
I play on profits this week though. I play on profits for the rest of the week. I already up crazy this week.
Oh, bro. Remember I've been in the trade for 3 weeks.
Yeah, bro.
I've been in shit for 3 weeks,
bro. I hate when I inside swings like that, bro. When you're inside one trade, like when I was holding GU for like 2 to 3 weeks. Remember when I was inside it for that, bro, and you always telling me how much y'all was short, that how much y'all was buying. I was like, fuck. I want to participate too, but like. You just in the market, like, you know what I mean? You in the market, you like it still happens.
You chilling, like, exactly. That's how I was for these past 2-3 weeks.
Yeah, bro, this about to go. This can fly, bro. Like, you see it print. Like, look at this candle, bro, on the MA, bro.
It's so lethal. Look at that.
This shit about to. I think it's gonna fly.
Bro, there's nothing. It looked like an inverted head and shoulders too. Like, look at that, bro.
Where, bro?
Head right, like, okay, boom. So if you bust out your is it possible?
Wait, yeah, bro, I can give you.
You see that, right? Oh, you can't.
Wait, let me see if I can give you one thing.
Like, you put like a little notepad on here too, or like you can color on this? Or
nah, my bad. Remote control. I give you the most, bro.
So can you draw on this or?
Damn, I can't even give you the remote right now. Bro, it's almost
yeah.
I gotta upgrade, bro.
It's happening.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Oh my god, wait. I'm mess it up. I'm trying to keep all my old entries on my charts, but I really want to start off these holes in my entries. Like, actually, like, evaluating some of my actual like entries. You know what I mean? I want to actually evaluate some of my things because that's what I realize I don't do. Like me, like I don't look at all entries, so I don't have a statistics. Like, you know what I mean? Like I want to be able to be like I did that, like I'm doing this, or like I want to be able to be like, okay, this week I ran 3 for 4 or 4 for 5, or like, you know, so I could actually go back and then we can be like, okay, why did you lose this trade? What made you get into this trade? I got in like around that area, because I think I in drawdown now. Yeah, I like 3 pips in drawdown, but yeah, so I actually want to start keeping a lot of my entries more.
Oh, okay, so you want to
start keeping a lot of my trades on my charts. That's what the trader told me. Remember I tell you the trader who I talked to? Yeah, he told me like.
Oh yeah. I remember now. Yeah. Now you really gotta drop like a hell of shit he said. Yo, one day you should just have like a live where you just literally tell everything he said, bro. Like, that's a fact.
I don't know though. But he's really pushing ICT though.
Wait, he said he learned from ICT or?
Yeah, he said he learned from ICT. He strictly learned from ICT. That's where he picked it up from. Someone from the group just messaged me. The Philip guy. He's like, "Do I gotta pay for the breadwinners rule?" You need to get inside the live if he actually. Wait, is he in the main? He ain't even in the main chat. He messaged me on Snap. A lot of them messaged me on Snap though.
Yeah, they say you gotta move to. Yeah, you know how people be.
Yeah, but at the same time, bro, like I don't know, like the brand over here, bro. Like that's how I feel. I feel as if like, yo, if you're trying to learn, you can come over to where he is. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
If you actually trying to learn this shit, you can come over to where he is. Like, yeah, right now it's on Snap being the new, like it was on Snap, like it was conventional because like it was Snapchat, but at the same time, like bro, be over here, like this is where it actually is. Like
you can see, like exactly, you can see literally like the people who was actually in the chat who are active.
Yeah.
They all swim over. They was like, "Oh, yeah, we're gonna happen out of this side." You know what I mean? So, I don't know.
Austin was a guy who really interested.
Yeah, right. Austin, Avery, some other hits.
Avery.
I their names, but
Egan, I don't think Egan is a trader.
Oh yeah, wait.
But Egan was hella active.
Yeah, what's Egan? Isn't he like a marketer?
I think so. I'm not sure. I need a marketer.
Yeah, I mean, there's some people in the chat though. I ain't gonna lie to you, because you got some people who can market. You got some people who could do code. I forgot his name. Was it?
We got some just entrepreneurs inside the chat. Some people who just entrepreneurs.
We even got a rapper in the chat. I forgot his name. He's funny.
Mark. Yeah, Mark. I trying to tell him. I trying to get like what I like to do. Like what I'm trying to do is work with as much people inside the chat as possible. I trying to tell him like make an intro for me. Like I'll pay you for the beat. You know what I mean? I'll pay you for the beat. I'll pay you for your time, bro. Make an intro for me.
Oh, that's tough. That's
like
tough.
Yeah, bro. Like what I'm trying to do is work with as much. Huh?
I said you trying to put everybody on. I fuck with that.
Yeah, bro.
That's tough, man.
Like let's work together, bro. Like let's work together. Let's create a mastermind group.
Exactly. Let's win together. That's a fact, yo. Because I think that's what Q did with his team. Like everybody just branched off and did their own thing. You know what I mean? That's tough.
He's like, bad after my finals, I'm starting some stuff. I'll post some stuff on this server. Bro, do you know someone who's good at graphic designing?
Graphic designing? Not really, unless you want to go on like Fiverr. I think somebody in the chat said they was good at graphic designing.
Someone was, but they would like, and then they tell me they was gonna do it and they never did. Like a lot of guys ain't serious. Like, because I need a podcast cover, bro. I really need a podcast cover.
You ever try Fiverr?
Bro, someone on Fiverr can give me shit product, bro.
Did you pay him?
No, I say someone from Fiverr is gonna give me shit product. What I see? What I tell you? Crossnet at MA. Boom.
Bro, I'm literally on the 1 minute.
You're about to make a new high right now, bro.
Oh, it just made a whole higher low on a 1 minute, bro. I entered, bro. I told you.
So yeah, I been in GU right now. How much pips? I am profit. I am profit. Up about up about 10 pips, almost 10 pips.
We jumping, but this shit, this trading
When
shit,
about 20 pips in profit, I can move my stop loss though.
bro. This trading shit too easy, but like I'm literally kid you not, but I just entered.
Live whilst we trading. whilst we was just talking, we just was talking about like trading, and then we just see an opportunity. But we ever was expecting that though. We ever was expecting to buy though.
Bro, you know what you should do? You should start having like the webinars before London session.
Yeah, that's what I can do. Remember I tell you I want you a part of the team, right? Like I really want you as a partner, bro. But like what I want to do is like some days like you go live.
Hell yeah,
some days you go live, some days I go live. You know what I mean? But most like I do understand you have school and shit too. So like, you know, like we'll discuss something.
I'm down, shit. Like I said, yo, I don't mind. I'm down, bro. When I'm free, yo, I'm down. I just hop on live one day, be like, yo, I got you, dog. Hop on live, start teaching. Like whoever needs it, I got you. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know though. A lot of like that's the thing. Like the brand just gotta grow more.
Oh yeah, of course. I need more people like actually like
who actually more bigger into trade, who actually really more into. But like that's the thing though. You only could do your end. Like you actually have to put in your work. Like you know what I mean. Try push as much content. Try get your brand out there as much, and then eventually like over time, as time passes, like you will generate those people. You generate those people who actually want to be consistent. Who actually want to, you know what I mean? Actually want those things.
Exactly.
You need to get on Vive, bro.
I told you, that's why I was like, I'm down, bro. I was like, I'm down to join your shit because at the end of the day, like, I'm learning off of you guys too. You feel me? Because right now I got like a goal in my mind, yo. It's like, I need to touch like 6 figs. For me, that's like my goal. But if and I'm so close too, that's the crazy part. If I could touch a 6 figs, bro, it's over.
Check this out, bro. Check this out. Your wish is your command.
Your wish is your command. Yeah, you know what? I'm doing that. Send that to me, but what's it called? Your wish is your command. YouTube about to
Kevin True. Yeah, bro. It's like a 13-part thing, bro. Check it out. I listen to that all day, every day.
I'm checking it out, bro. Your wish is my command.
Your wish is your command.
Your command.
It talks about the law of attraction, bro. It talks about like understanding the power of your mind, understanding who you are as an individual.
Oh, I see them on TikTok. Damn, bro.
No, bro, you trust me. You don't see that on TikTok. Not your wish is your command. Kevin Trudeau, like he was like this big guy. He was inside some secret societies, bro. Like he is inside the Brotherhood. He talked about the skull and crossbones, and he let out a lot of their secrets. He let out like a lot of their mindset, like how do they actually think, what actually makes them tick, like how do they achieve the level of success that they actually have. Like you should actually check it out. And when you actually sit down and understand some of the actual philosophies that he actually have, you'd be like, that's actually crazy. And some of these things, like, they not only scientifically backed, but they actually like biblically backed too. You know what I mean? And that's so crazy. Like people didn't even understand like what the Bible meant when it said like, do you know that faith, like one of the things that has to be present for a miracle to happen is faith, right?
Yeah.
People don't understand why. People don't even understand what that means. Like that's wild, man. But we are about to end.